Question number 36. A diode bridge rectification circuit is constructed and alternating potential difference is applied. AC voltage is applied. Okay. The statements about the circuits are. So before reading this, what we will do is let us analyze the circuit. So if this becomes positive, this diode conducts. So and this comes like this, current comes like this, goes like this, and goes away here. So let me write down the path of the current. It goes like this, goes like this, goes like this. Okay. When this is positive. When this becomes positive, what happens? It goes like this, current goes like this, current goes in this way. Okay, so I will write down this path also. So current goes like this, goes like this, goes like this over here. So this is your positive, this is negative, this is your negative over here. Okay, so three statements about the circuits are: when diode P conducts, Q does not conduct. Q does not conduct. When P is conducting, where is P here? This side should be P, this side should be Q. See, conducting means joined by a straight line. When Q is conducting, P is not conducting. When P is conducting, Q is not conducting. Right? So it's very clear. When P is conducting, Q does not conduct. When P is conducting, Q does not conduct. This is right. Then the next one. When diode S conducts, neither P nor Q nor R conducts. When diode S conducts, neither P, okay, neither P, neither R. This is R here. See, there is no line here, right? The conduction is shown by a line here. Okay, so therefore, this is also right. The direction of the conventional currents in the resistor is from left to right. Direction of the conventional current in the resistor. In the resistor, what happens is from left to right. Left to right. That means what is it here? Left is here, right is here. It says that it should go like this. But in both the cases, what's happening? Current goes like this, it goes in this way. From right to left, it is going here. And here also what happens? The current starts from here. Current starts from here. Positive, right? Current starts from here and it goes like this. It's once again going from right to left over here. So therefore, what can you understand? So this is incorrect. This is incorrect. It's not going from left to right. So therefore, answer 1 and 2 are correct. Answer 1 and 2 only. Answer is A.